everybody, Calm Biker here. Day 2 of my tyre change. Yeah, day 2. Not that it's really taken that long, but I had some decorating to do as well. So the tyre hopefully is repaired, no way to check until it's back on the wheel. I'm now going to try and remount it using the MAX2H and see if it's any better at remounting than it was at taking off. Not that it was bad at taking the tyre off, but it certainly wasn't as good as the video that they show on the internet. But of course it wouldn't be, would it? So this hopefully will be a reasonably simple job. Then I can pump it up and see if that puncture is actually repaired. Right, get the tyre changer. Now it's the same theory as before, mounting head. This time it's mounting instead of demounting, as if by some magic the same head can take the thing off and put it on. I don't know. So this is how it's seated basically. Push the tyre down, head goes on, and you can see it kind of just fits around the rim. Because that's a soft plastic head, it shouldn't do any damage. Now, normally you need your little yellow dealie, or if you look at my last tyre changing video where we did it the old fashioned way, we used a tennis ball to kind of clip here to stop the thing coming out. When you look at the instructions on this tyre changer, it doesn't use one, which is good because I haven't got one, but I may have to improvise if this doesn't work as expected. Bit of leverage required. Ha ha ha! How about that? That's brilliant! All done. Just clean it up, pump it up, seat the beads and check the tyre. That's the compressor fully up to pressure. Just now need to pump it up and I should hear 2 bangs, 2 gunshots or 2 little clicks depending on how lucky I am when I pump it up. And that's the bead seating. Goes up a lot slower with a valve core in. Definitely easier to seat the beads without it. Not bad accuracy on that compressor pumper operator inflator thing. Not bad at all. So here's a moment of truth. Tyre's pumped up, beads are seated, 42 psi as per the manufacturer. Is it going to hold? Only one way to check. Airy fairy liquid. The annoying part of having it in a spray bottle, I suppose you just take it out really, is that it comes out with some bubbles, but as long as we don't get any more, and I definitely can't see any coming out of there. So that's me done for this video. I'm going to balance the wheel now, just make sure it's all nicely balanced and put it back on the bike. But I've done that on a video before, so if you want to see how you balance a wheel, go and check out another video. Just do a search on my channel. Thanks for watching everyone, ride safe, and I'll talk to you all again soon.